Hey there, my fellow YouTube viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic topic that can supercharge your React applications, the useStorage custom hook. If you've ever found yourself struggling with managing and persisting data in your React components, you're in for a treat. The useStorage custom hook is a game changer when it comes to handling data in a more efficient and organized way. But before we jump into the details, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First things first, what is the useStorage custom hook? Essentially, it's a reusable piece of code that simplifies the process of storing and retrieving data from various storage options, such as local storage and session storage. Whether you're building a simple to-do app or a complex e-commerce platform, useStorage can help you manage your data like a pro.
First, we must create the component to use this useStorage hook. Let's create our hook. I will explain it when I finished it. In this code snippet, we've created a custom React hook called useStorage. It's like a magic wand for handling data in your React applications. You can use it by passing in a key to uniquely identify your data. You can also set a default value if the data isn't there yet, and you can choose between local storage or session storage as your storage options. Here's how it works. When you use this hook, it checks if your data already exists in the chosen storage. If it does, it retrieves and uses that data. If not, it sets the default value. Whenever your data changes, this hook takes care of updating the storage automatically. And if you ever want to remove the data, it provides a simple remove function for that too. In this code snippet, we have a React functional component called useStorage component. It's a practical demonstration of the useStorage custom hook we discussed earlier. In this component, we're using useStorage twice, once for local storage and once for session storage. Let's break down what's happening. Something goes wrong in here, storage doesn't get updated. Let's find the issue and fix it. Found the issue. The issue is storage variable getting undefined because we should have to pass type parameter to the useStorage hook. Let's fix it. Here you can see our storage values are getting updated with default values we used. Let's add some additional data and buttons to the component. The component renders two sets of buttons and paragraphs. The first set of buttons allows you to update the local and session storage values with the set local and set session functions when clicked. The paragraphs displays the current values of local and session storage. Lastly, there's another set of buttons for removing the stored values. Clicking the Remove Local Value button triggers the Remove Local function, and the Remove Session Value button triggers the Remove Session function. This demonstrates how easy it is to clear stored data when needed. Here is the example how it works. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, suggestions, or ideas for future videos, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. We look forward to having you back on our channel for more exciting content. Once again, thank you for being a part of our community, and happy coding!